Today I have the smallest projector here in mediaboxentlab.com. Not only is it a small projector, has a 16 GB memory, already pre-installed YouTube, Netflix, and much more. It can run also on batteries because it's rechargeable up to 3 hours, so you can take this anywhere or have a picnic, an outdoor event. So small, you can carry this anywhere. Perfect for a business trip, PowerPoint presentation, and super high quality. How are you doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab.com, and yes, as you saw the presentation, I have this small projector. I love it because it's so compact. No button to press, not physical buttons as you see here in the video. I wonder, what is the HDMI connection? Everything seems to be sealed. And another thing too, the focus. Remember, you have to always move the knob in the side, and there, all digital. Creates almost no heat at all, super quiet. So let me show you this right now. All right, so today we have the Lenovo M1, the smart mini projector. This one is a pack size. It can project to 110 inches. It's Wi-Fi. Now from here, we have the menu, volume, home. See, here is the screen, so you can use this, navigate as a mouse. This is your focus control. You press here once, and automatically will focus. I show you how to do that. Run the front. And on and off switch, so you open all the way and it turns on. Watch this, go all the way into clicks. It should start on in a second. Already is on. You will see that. Yeah, you see that? Okay, let's turn it off. Oh yeah, powerful. Now at the bottom, we can use this to connect a tripod, and right over here is your connections. USB 2.0, so perfect to load your movies. Put a thumb drive right there. HDMI output and the power cable. You're gonna connect it right there. Now it comes with the instructions, simple to use. How to navigate. Now comes with the nice carrying bag. So if you see here, the remote control, simple to navigate. Bluetooth, you need to pair that in right in the first time. So when you connect your projector, will guide you how to do this. Comes with the power supply, 12-volt power supply, 110, 240. We're gonna plug this out now. All right, so what I want to do now, I want to display this around the wall. Now it's fine, you can project it right on the white wall, but always, if you get the projector screen, it's made with a special fabric where they have crystal, and it's special made will reflect the light. Now this wall, it will not reflect the light, so the quality of the image is not as good if you have a wide screen or the fabric that is made for projection. All right, so I turn on some of the lights so you guys can see better. So I'm gonna turn this on, and it's very simple. Just we slice there. It's not power connection. So the system runs in Android. So we see right over there to start off, it comes with YouTube, Netflix, but it looks a little blurry, right? So the way to do it is you press the red button right there with your finger. You press once right there, and now we're gonna use the autofocus. So there is arrows up and down. I'm gonna move this. You see there? That's perfect. All right, so it's done. Remember to set up the focus. You're gonna press that for a second, the red button right there on the projector, and then from there is arrows up and down, and you just with your finger just move down or move up until you see the automatic focus. As you see, that's perfect, nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press that button one again, and that disappears, and now we can see the screen. And you can see automatic comes with the YouTube, iOS devices. So if you want it, like it's like a mirror cast. You can even do USB mirror, settings, files, all applications, Netflix and Google. And that's a projector with all these things included. Now we can see right on the top, we have the HDMI connection files, and preference. We see the battery right over there, right? And also we can see the Wi-Fi. Now, with the remote control is Bluetooth, so you can point this anywhere. We're gonna move around. We're gonna move this around and we go all the way up. And we're gonna go into the configurations. And right over here, we have the Wi-Fi setting. Press and set up the Wi-Fi. It's connected to 5 gigahertz. So that's real nice. If we move this to the side, we go to Bluetooth settings. Now this thing has speakers as well too. So you can use a speaker, but it's a small projector. So what I do recommend is connect an external speaker to Bluetooth, and then you will have the perfect system that way. Projector settings. Now from here, the brightness mode is into the standard. So we're gonna press power saving mode. That should last about 4 hours. So if you're gonna run on battery, I would recommend you to run it in a power saving mode. It still looks perfect. Now standard mode, then when you plug in, if you use a standard mode, it should last maybe about an hour and a half, a little more. Run it on battery, but you're gonna be plugged in. And then the brightness mode, that's the highest one. But I would recommend those to use it when it's plugged in. I leave it in standard. Now projector, you can set the projector, the front view, back view, so the projector is in the back of the projector screen, or maybe stop and you turn it over. So nature 100%, we'll leave it the way it is. Technically, when you get it, there's nothing to play around with this. It's already preset, but actually I will go over. Now here is the keystone, the ones I was showing you how to go. You can go manually. I did the automatic correction, but you can always, if you feel like, you can always go and do manually. Now in general language and keyboard, then I think, yes, you see, and automatic connect with my my remote control as a keyboard. You can add not a regular keyboard. You can add a USB mouse. You can add all kinds of things. They are in either USB or a Bluetooth devices. Set the day and time. Storage management, 16 gigabytes internal. We can see it right over there. Okay, application management. And now you can see all the applications already that it can be installed. You got Chrome Gallery, Music, YouTube. You can see all this. There's already even has a memory cleaner right there. BLC, you can run all kinds of players from there, Netflix, and have the media center and all kinds of applications. So this is like in a smart TV box with a projector. And we can upgrade. And if you think you play around and you didn't like what you did, you don't know exactly how to get it back into the normal stage, remember to use the factory reset settings. You come here and you can reset, and becomes this as you get this for the first time. And that's about there in the configuration right there. And the nice thing is we can travel here and we see, let's go all the applications, and I can see the applications are already installed right there. So if you want to download any other type of application, even games you can get from the Google Store, let's click YouTube. So the nice thing is not only you having a projector with a super good quality, but at the same time comes with all kind of applications. Like in this case, YouTube. Not only you get a super projector, but at the same time, right, you get an Android operating system right over here. And the best thing is, as you see here, super small, easy to use for the business trip, conference, anything. Carry this, open your suitcase, take out of the suitcase, and you start a PowerPoint presentation right away with a nice small projector, right? So like always, to get one of these tiny projectors, right, as you see here, all information will be right below this video. Thank you.